What's up, print fam? Welcome back to the print shop. Today's video is Jacob showing you how to hoop a garment, or at least how we hoop garments. So I try to focus on when selling just basic left chest embroidery because it's simple, it's repeatable. So I bought the Hoopmaster station to make that easier, because it creates consistency, takes the guesswork out of it. So this video is Jacob showing you how he uses it. We typically use the 5x5 hoop, and then we have the Hoopmaster station, and then we use cutaway, tearaway, or solvey if needed. I will link all of the products that I can down in the description, but here's Jacob. Take it away.
What's up, prep fam? So we wanted to show you how we hoop items. So we have the Hoopmaster. Can't really see the logo very well. This is what we use to hoop any type of like shirt or jacket, any items like that. And then we also have this, which you can use to hoop things like backpacks or briefcases or any type of bag, anything that you'd pull over this way needing to clamp it. Here we have our shirt with our clamp. It's already taken apart. This just magnetizes to the back. And we have our cutaway. So first things first is you want to check the size. This shirt is a small. The paper we have up here that shows all the sizes and where the placement goes. So for this small, we need to put it on C15. So we look down here and it's already there right now. So we look at here, this number, and it says that it is at 15. And the C means for when we thread the shirt over, the collar needs to be around the C area. So we will first put the back to our clamp inside here, lift up these flaps, place the cutaway just to be right on top of these screws, so when this magnetizes down, it will hold the cutaway. And then now we will thread the shirt. So here we have the shirt threaded onto the machine with the collar at C. And as you can see again, it is at 15, so we're at C15. You just kind of want to check to make sure that the shoulders are about equal length apart, so nothing looks kind of skewed left or right when we put this onto the machine. So we'll take the top of the clamp, place it on here just right in these groups. So now all you got to do is you just push it down, and it magnetizes onto the back of the clamp, and you can take it off. And here you have a shirt that's ready to be put onto the machine. And so now we would just take it, and it would just slide right onto the machine just like this. You just make sure it's clamped on both sides so it's secure in there. And then we also just want to make sure that none of the shirt on the inside is folded, because we don't want to double sew the shirt. We just want it to be on the one layer.
Thank you so much for watching, print fam. If you have additional questions on hooping or the embroidery machines, make sure you leave those down in the comments. And a huge shout out to firesprint.com for sponsoring today's episode. They are a trade-only wholesale printer, and related to embroidery, I would suggest you look at them for stickers. You can brand your apparel items that you sell to other people. If you're bagging and tagging them, you can get stickers from them that have your branding, your information on it, or you can get the stickers to put on boxes to drop off to your customers, or when they pick it up, it's got your logo on the side. So make sure you check them out for that. They also do yard signs, banners, and other large format products. So make sure you check them out. Again, they are trade only wholesale. You can get 10% off your first order by using the coupon code down in the description. Thanks, firesprint.com, and we'll see you guys in the next one.